this video, we talk about capturing users input in bash, and not only that, we talk about taking argument from a command line in a function. Now, to capture users input is asking a user some questions and using their answers as variable of some sorts. And to do that, we use the read command and the -p command. Now you might be asking, what are these comments doing here? Now, comments are used to block a line of code. So this code here that I commented won't run in my script. That is, I commented this function, that means this function won't run, and also I commented this line and this other line, and that means they both won't run. So these ones I didn't comment is the ones that will actually run. So capturing users input, we use the read -p command, and then we ask our question, and the question is, what is your name? And we give the answer a variable. That is, once you answer your name, that name is already a variable, so we name the variable name var. And to show it as an example, use echo my name is name var. That is, we are calling out your name, that's the variable. And let me show you in an example right now. So when I run my bash, in case you are wondering why I'm not using the ./ or the .sh, go check out my other videos where I've explained why I didn't use it and watch it. So when I run my bash, it asks me what is my name, and when I write Shubi Tech, it actually tell me my name is Shubi Tech. Now there are other ways to actually run this. Now you can hide the answers so that in such a way that when you are typing it, you won't actually see what you are writing. Just like if I asked for your password and someone shouldn't see it, that is where this comes in. You can actually hide the password you are typing in. So this is how it works. When I clear this, I'll open my bash again, and right here I will comment these ones. I think I should comment them. I will comment these ones and uncomment. And when I uncomment it, you see that it changed from read p to read sp. Now the s there is used to hide the answers we are going to input, and here I said password and I named my variable passwd, and here I said my password is passwd. It might be weird that I'm saying that my password when I'm actually hiding it, but this is actually showing you that it is working. So when I quit it, I wrote and quit, and also I'll save it in my cp, my bash user. Like I said, if you don't know how this works, check my other videos and actually probably know what this is. And when I press enter and when I run my bash, it is asks for my password. When it asks for my password, if I have to write my password as 725, so to tell me my password is 634. But one thing here is it actually hid my password in case of if anyone is actually looking at me. Now in conditional statement, you can actually tell it this is my password, and if I input the wrong password, don't run this. If I input the right password, run this. But that will be another topic for another day in conditional statements. So to take arguments from a command line in a function, that's the next thing. I'm going to clear this and open my bash, and here I'll comment here again. Sorry, I'll comment here and come back here to uncomment this. Now taking arguments from a command line, this allows us to input a number in our function. Here I said echo the random number for today is $1. Now this $1 allows you to input a number in the function. For example, let's run it, and when I run my bash and actually input something like 67 or 76, it will tell me the random number for today is 76. I hope you see how this works. This is a short video of explaining this so that in conditional statement you won't find it hard, or also in case statement you won't find it hard. So tell me if you didn't understand anything about this video and I'll tell you more about it.